Okay, so in today's lesson, we looked at really more of the distributive property. We looked at terms versus like terms and the word coefficients. Coefficient is the number that tells you how many of the variable you have, whereas terms are separated by a plus mark or a subtraction sign. And so you've got to kind of have to break it apart to see which one has terms. And then once you have terms, if they both have a variable in it, they're considered like terms. If they both have a number in it, those are considered like terms. And so here we go. So select all the expressions that are equivalent to 4x plus 8. Well, 4 times x plus 2, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8, so that definitely works. And then I've got 4 plus 8, x. You should just go to 12x because 4 plus 8 is 12. And then, so you can put those terms together. But this would have been 4x plus 8x, which is not 4 plus x. Okay, 4 plus 8. 2 times 2x plus 4 equals 4x plus 8. 2 times 2x plus 6 is, I should have done that, 4x, but 2 times 6 is plus 12. And then the last one is 4 plus, if I distribute 4x plus 4, and I can put the plus 4 and the plus 4 together, or the 4 and 4 together, and so I get 4x plus 8. And so every other one. Here we go. When I look at this, if I was writing it as a sum, or a product, sorry, I would do like this. If I was writing this as a product, if I was writing this one as a product, to get the sum, I would go 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times x is 2x, 5 times m is 5m, 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 2a is 6a, 3 times b is 3b. And so then I come over here. This is 2 times the quantity or the sum of 4 plus x. And that does equal 8 plus 2x. Right here, I get that this one is 5m plus 15. This one here is 3 times the sum of 2a plus b, which is 6a plus 3b. Okay. Are these the same people? I've got 8y and 24, so 8y plus 24. And here I've got 8y plus 24. Yeah, those are exactly the same. Explain. 8 y equals 2 times 4y, and 8 times 3 equals 2 times 12. And so that's how I would explain it. Determine if each pair of expressions is equivalent. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 8 is 16. And then I've got that 3 outside. And so 16 and 3, I get 2x plus 19. Yes, those are the same. The next one, 5 plus 2 times y plus 2 times 4. That's 2y plus 13. That's a no. I've got 3z, oh, I'm doing it too much, plus 3 plus 3z plus 3 is the same as 6z plus 6. That's a yes. I could have just seen that it's 3 of those plus 3 of those is 6 of those. That would have also worked. Complete the table. If I have a 4x and an 8, there's a few different ways to break it down, but I'm guessing that they're going to put the 4 out here and they're going to have the x plus 2 on top. So 4 parentheses x plus 2. But I could have also pulled out a 2. I could have pulled out a 1. Here we've got 6 plus 8d. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I get 14d. But if you said that it was, oh, nope, it's saying that that's wrong. I've got to write it as a sum. That's not smart. 6d, oops, where'd I go? My cursor should be right here. 6 delta, instead, because otherwise it sounds like 60, like 60, 70, 80. Plus 8d by. So that's a sum. I need to write it as a sum. Like this one, I can't just write 17m. I'm going to write m times 10 plus 7. Right here, I get 6b plus 15. And right here, 6u plus 12t. Next. Okay. So 30 plus 12x. There's lots of ways to break this down. If I did it with a 2, that would have been a 15 plus 6x. 30 plus 12x. If I broke it down with a 3, that's a 10 plus 4x. If I did it with, let's see, if 2 works, 3 works, 6 also works. 5 plus 2x. And so the length, let's go with a 2, 3, 6. Oops. And a width would be 15 plus 6x. 10 plus 4x. And lastly, 5 plus 2x. Getting there. Solve this. Oh, that's easy. If I have x plus 5 equals 11, I subtract 5 from both sides. I'm going to get that x equals 6. And to double check that, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Check. 6. Submit. Oh my gosh, really? 6 plus 5 equals 11. 0.6 times y equals 1.8. I'm going to divide by 0.6 to get the y all by itself. And then when I divide by 0.6, I get 18 over 6, which is just 3. To check that, I would go 0.6 times 3 equals 1.8. 1 decimal place and 1 decimal place. 3. Oh, come on. 0.6x times 3 equals 1.8. Submit. Okay, one more. Oh, nice, easy one. 5w equals 117.5. If I divide by 5, I get w equals, that's 3.5. To check, 5 times 3.5 is going to equal 17.5. 3.5, submit and explain. Where to go? 5, shift 8, 3.5 equals 17.5. It really does. Let's see how I did. Yay, I got them all right. So if you have any questions, please ask in class. If not, I'll see you in the next video.